Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be working with an AEM X Series CAN wideband sensor. First, what I need to do is to trim the wire to the required measurement length. Then some Kapton tape to hold all the wires in one place. First, service loop measure to see if the wire length is enough for this. Then some wire stripping to the ends of the wire. To know if enough wire is in the connector to be crimped, you should see a wire in the hole on the pin. Then I do measurement of approximate wire thickness to find the proper DR-25 tubing to fit. Cutting and measuring DR-25 for the proper length. Next one is measuring and finding the proper epoxy filled shrink tube to fit at the end of the sensor, and then adding the proper end of the fan to blow the heated air into the proper location to heat it up in one place. Right, so for the STA8 crimps and AVG 20 wire I use K24 adapter, which states that wire size 20 needs settling as 6 on the DTM tool. And then crimping all the remaining wires. And pinning all the wires in the STA8 connector with some strain relief twists. Here you can actually see that all the pins are in the place where you can see the pins inside of the connector. A little bit more Kapton tape to hold everything in place, and a fully finished and pinned connector which just needs some testing and adding final boot onto it.